Welcome guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate webinar registration and follow-up. So in this tutorial we'll build a full webinar automation system using n8n. These workflows will allow you to capture webinar sign-up automatically, send confirmation email and reminders, trigger follow-up sequences after the webinar, log registrants and attendance in the Google Sheets, and notify your team via Slack for high-value leads. Agencies or course creators can offer done-for-you webinar automation services with this workflow and potentially generate revenue. So what you learn in this tutorial: how to use webhooks to capture registration, how to automate confirmation and reminder emails, trigger follow-up after the webinar, log attendee data in the Google Sheets, and notify your team for high-value registrants. Let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. His purpose is to receive new webinar sign up form from your landing page or form. For example, you will receive here the registration ID, the name, the email, the ticket type, for example, is if it's VIP. The method is get, path new registration, the production relay, webhook new registration, response immediately, and response code 200 minimum. Okay, next node is the set node to normalize the registration data, the registrant data. The purpose of this is to prepare field for email, logging, and follow-up. So the fields here is this: registrant ID, it's first, the name, the email, and the ticket type. This will be the field that you will extract from the webhook node. Okay, after that you have the if node. So the purpose of the if node is to check ticket type or any other criteria to flag high values leads. So if on value, if JSON ticket type is equal to VIP, you'll go to true branch that will notify the Slack team. Operation is post, channel sales, and the text new VIP registration, JSON name and JSON email. After that, we'll go to email send confirmation to send a confirmation in email to registrant. So from email webinar our company to email JSON email, subject webinar registration confirm. Hey, JSON name, your webinar registration is confirmed. Okay, after that we'll send also wait reminder email. The purpose of this is to wait until the day before or a few hours before the webinar to send the reminder email. You see wait amount 1 hour before the webinar. Okay, and the false branch of the if not a high value registrant, will go to email send confirmation that you saw what he does. And after this, you want to track all the registrant, to log all the registrant information for the tracking purpose. So you'll have the node Google Sheets that will log the registrants. So here on the column, you will map the registrant ID, the name, the email, the ticket type, and the status. So that was all for today, guys. See you in the next video, and I also I will attach the JSON file. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.